Hi, my name is Maria and I'm the Marketing and Social Media Manager here at Blue Byte. Today I'm going to show you how to make dynamic QR codes for free using our powerful QR Touchpoint Manager, Blue Byte Connect. First, head to bluebyte.com/connect and enter the destination URL, meaning the link where you want people to end up after scanning your QR code. Next, you can give your QR touchpoint a name so it's easy for you to manage multiple touchpoints at once. Then, you can customize the look of your QR code by changing its color and shape. Next, fill out the form with the necessary information, including an email and password, so you can securely manage your QR touchpoints. Don't worry, we're never going to share your personal information. Once you verify your account via our confirmation email, you'll be directed to your Blue Byte dashboard, which will include all of the QR touchpoints you create with us. Click on the icon and you'll be able to download your QR code as a PNG or SVG file. This is where you can also preview the destination link as well as make any changes to your QR touchpoint. The QR code you'll make is SOC 2, GDPR, and CCPA compliant. You can create and manage up to 100 QR touchpoints for free. You'll want to save this page for later because if you scroll down, this is where you'll get access to valuable insights about your QR code, including the number of scans and the location where those scans came from. Creating and managing QR codes is just the start. If you want to learn more about how Blue Byte can help you on your connected products journey, get in touch.